called USD partnership. This liquidate on September 30, 2022. So we have cash of 50,000 and non-cash of 670,000, liabilities of 405,000, and new loan of 20,000, and new capital of 80,000, and S capital of 140,000, and also the B capital of 75,000. Then after the cash, we sell non-cash asset and distribution of FFR. Let's proceed to the first installment of July. So the selling price of 390,000 and the book value of 510,000, we need to deduct it as total of negative 120,000. This is our loss on realization. And after that, we need to use the loss and profit ratio of U capital of 50% and S capital of 30% and also the B capital of 20%. We need to multiply negative 120,000 times 50% is equal to negative 60,000. Negative 120,000 times 30% is equals to negative 36,000. And the last one, negative 120,000 times 20% is equal to negative 24,000. Let's proceed to the balance. So the selling price, the cash of 50,000 and the selling price of 390,000, it is total of 440,000. And the non-cash of 670,000 minus negative 510,000 is equal to 160,000. Then liabilities of 405,000, we will bring down this because it will not be mentioned in the problem. And also the U loan of 20,000. And the U capital of 80,000 minus 60,000 is total of 20,000. And S capital of 150,000 minus 36,000 is total of 104,000. And the last one, the B capital of 75,000 minus 24,000 is total of 51,000. Let's proceed to the journal entry. Our debit is what? 390,000 and U capital 60,000 and S capital 46,000 and the last one B capital 24,000. Our credit is non-cash asset 510,000.
So let's present the payment of liabilities. So liabilities man ko so sa liabilities na kay 405,000. Tapos ato siyang i-minus na nato kung 405,000 ibutan na siya diri sa cash nga ang 405,000. So diri sa non-cash asset ato lang i-bring down ang 160,000. Kung diri ako kang new loan atong i-bring down ang 20,000. Diri atong U capital i-bring down gyapon nato siya ang 20,000. Ang diri apod kang S capital i-bring down ang 104,000. Ang diri apod kang B capital i-bring down ang 51,000. So diri sa cash naman tay 440,000 nya. Ang kaning 405,000 gikan mo siya sa liabilities. So ato siyang gi-minus diri sa cash nga 440,000 minus 405,000 35,000. Sa journal entry na atay debit nga liabilities 405,000, credit na atay cash nga 405,000.
Good afternoon, sir. Dr. Tagalog. USD Partnership is legal state payments first installment prepared on July 2022. So now we'll put down the capital balances of the partners. U capital 20,000, S capital is 74,000, B capital is 51,000, total of 175,000. Add loan, new loan 20,000, total is 40,000. S capital bring down to 4,000, B capital bring down to 51,000, total is 105,000. Less theoretical loss or possible loss. This is our theoretical loss or possible loss 1,000 of non-cash asset. So now we will multiply less theoretical loss based on their profit and loss ratio of the partners. U capital 1 50% is equal to 80,000. S capital 160,000 multiplied 30% is equal to 48,000. D capital 160,000 multiplied 20% is equal to 32,000. The total is 160,000. 40,000 minus 80,000 is equal to negative 40,000. 104,000 minus 48,000 is equal to 56,000. 51,000 minus 32,000 is equal to 19,000. 105,000 minus 150,000 is equal to 35,000. As you can see, there is a negative balance of their partners, which is U capital negative 40,000. Now, it will be absorbed for remaining partners with a positive capital balances, which is S and B. Add those positive 40,000 and 40,000 destined due to the partner based on profit and loss ratio. S capital 40,000 multiplied 3 over 5 is equal to 24,000. B capital 40,000 multiplied 2 over 5 is equal to 16,000. Balance negative 40,000 minus 40,000 is equal to 0. 56,000 minus 24,000 is equal to 32,000. 19,000 minus 16,000 is equal to 3,000. The total is 35,000.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm James Palia. According to the solution of Miss Marjorie Tagalog of schedule safe payments, we have our remaining balance, which is S is 32,000 and B 3,000. From now on, we're going to record cash payment to S and B. And this put the remaining balance for S capital is negative 32,000 and B capital is negative 3,000. And then let's add it together. Negative 32,000 plus negative 3,000 is equals to 35,000. So we have our remaining cash 35,000 minus 35,000 is equals to 0. So from that cash, let's bring down the 160,000. Also, U loan 20,000 and then U capital bring down 20,000. For S capital, 104,000 minus 32,000 is equals to 70,000. And for B capital is 51,000 minus 3,000 is equals to 48,000. So now we will have our journal entry. Debit is S capital 32,000, B capital 3,000, and we will have our credit cash 35,000.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Jennifer Mechanics. So let's proceed the second installment. August 2022. Sale of non-cash asset and distribution of loss on transaction. So now let's proceed the second installment. So the selling price is 22,000 and the book value is negative 35,000. So we will subtract it and the total is negative 13,000, which is the loss on realization. So now let's distribute to the partners based on their profit and loss ratio, which is U is 50% and S is 30% and B 20%. Negative 13,000 times 50% is equal to negative 6,500. Negative 13,000 times 30% is equal to negative 3,900. Negative 13,000 times 20% is equal to negative 2,600, which is kind B. Now let's contribute the capital balance, which is kind U capital negative 6,500 and S capital is negative 3,900 and B capital is negative 2,600. So the total is 22,000. So the 22,000 cash, we will put it down here, 22,000. And the non-cash is 160,000 minus 35,000 is equal to 155,000. And for U loan, we will bring down 50,000. And U capital
Good afternoon, sir. This is Tim Gino from Group 4. So now we are going to prepare the schedule of safe payment on the second installment of August 20, 2002. Now, please bring down here, when you want down here, the capital balances of those partners. First, the capital balance of U is 30,500, and for S, the remaining capital balance with 60,100. Same also with B, that has a remaining capital balance of 45,400, and with a total of 127,000. And we will also add the loan of U, since U has a loan balance, which is the 20,000, and with a total of 33,500. Since S and B doesn't have loans, so we will bring down the capital balances of those partners, which is S is 68,100 and B is 45,400, and with a total of 147,000. So we have a theoretical loss, or at least theoretical loss, or the possible loss. So this is now the possible loss, or the theoretical loss on the next installment, which is the 125,000. Okay, so let's continue. Since we have a theoretical loss, the possible loss of 125,000, we will need to divide for the profit with their profit and loss ratio. So one for you, 125,000 multiplied by 50% is equal to negative 62,500. And for S, the 125,000 multiplied by 30% is equal to negative 37,500. And then also with B, that 125,000 multiplied by 30% is equal to negative 25,000, which is total of 125,000. Now, we will deduct the theoretical loss and possible loss for the remaining capital balances, which is for you, the 33,500 deducted by the 62,500, and the total of negative 29,000. And for S, that has the remaining capital balances, 68,100 minus 37,500, and with a total of 30,600. Same also with B, 45,400 minus 25,000 is equal to 20,400, and the total of 22,000. Since there is a partner that has a negative balance, so the negative balance of this capital will be absorbed by those partners who have a remaining positive balances. So the negative 29 will be multiplied by the profit and loss ratio of those partners, which is the S and B. Now for S, 29,000 multiplied by the 3/5 is equal to 70,400. And for B, 29,000 multiplied by 2/5 is total of 11,600. To put it at 29, the profit is 29,000 to make it zero balance here for you. And for S, that has a total of, for the remaining capital, 30,600 minus 70,400, the total of 30,200. Same also in B, that has a remaining capital balance of 20,400 minus 11,600, with a total of 8,900. And to add these two will be total of 22,000.
So good afternoon, sir. My name is Dr. J. Kumane. Dito na tayo sa payment of S and B. So we have 22,000 remaining balance. So sino ang makakuha nito? According dito sa schedule of safe payment, ang makakuha ng capital, remaining balance capital ng 22,000 ay C, S at B. Si S na merong 13,200 at si B na merong 8,800. Si S na may negative 13,200 at si B na may negative na 8,800. Total of 22,000. So, 22,000 minus 22,000 is equal to 0. Non-cash is bring down siya 125,000. U-loan 20,000 bring down lang din. U-capital 30,900 is bring down lang din. CS capital is 68,100 minus 30,200 is equal to 24,900. capital is 35,400. Digamit 8,800 is equal to 36,600. Pagkatapos natin ito, ay gagawa na tayo ng journal entry. Journal entry. Debit S capital 13,200, B capital 8,800, credit cash 22,000.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Dr. Chiburseli, and now let's see the third installment, which is on September 2022. So, sale of non-cash asset and distribution of LOR. So now we have selling price 70,000 and book value negative 125,000. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon is i-subtract natin siya. So, selling price 70,000 and book value negative 125,000 is equals negative 55,000, which is this is our LOR, or loss or realization. So now we're going to distribute by each partner using by their profit and loss ratio, which is U capital 50%, S capital 30%, and B capital 20%. So negative 55,000 multiplied by 50% of U is negative 27,500, and negative 55,000 multiplied by 30% of S is result negative 16,500, and negative 55,000 multiplied by 20% by B, and the result is negative 11,000. For U capital, negative 27,500, and for S capital, negative 16,500, and B capital, negative 11,000. Now we have cash 70,000. We are going to bring down in here 70,000, and non-cash 125,000 minus negative 125,000 is equals to 0. And for U loan is we are going to bring down in here 20,000, and for U capital 30,500 minus negative 27,500 is equals 14,000. And for S capital 54,900 minus negative 16,500 is equal to 38,400. And for B capital 36,600 minus negative 11,000 is equals to 25,000. So now let's proceed to our journal entry, which is our debit is cash 70,000, S capital 27,500, and U capital 16,500, and B capital 11,000. And for our credit, non-cash asset 125,000.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Dr. Balmet. So, we discuss right of offset. So, we will identify kung sino yung my division partner. So, dahil meron siyang 20,000 na loan, itong 20,000 is minus 14,000 loan. So, 20,000 minus 14,000 was 6,000 dito. So, 20,000 minus 14,000 was 0. So, si S capital, itong 38,400, i-breakdown na natin at itong 25,000 B capital, bring down na 25,000. Walang nangyayari minus ng loan. So, here's our journal entry. Debit, U loan 40,000, and our credit, U capital 14,000. That's all.
So, good afternoon, sir. My name is Ricardo. So, let's proceed to one and payment. Cash is 70,000. So, your loan 6,000 minus 6,000 is equal to 0. S capital 30,400 minus 30,400 is equal to 0. B capital 25,000 minus 25,000 is equal to 0. We will add your loan 6,000. S capital 30,400. B capital 25,000 is equal to 0.